Find or read reviews that people are talking about Ynwinste Smart Watches. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Bluetooth calling and voice assistant, convenient communication. This Bluetooth smartwatch comes with a built-in high-fidelity speaker and microphone, allowing for easy communication through Bluetooth calling and voice assistant. It supports making and receiving calls via Bluetooth, freeing up your hands. Synchronize message notifications to ensure important information is not missed. Equipped with an intelligent voice assistant, voice control is more convenient, allowing you to communicate freely whether you are on the go or at work. Compatible with iOS 8.0 and Android 5.0 and above. 1.52-inch TFT HD screen, visual feast. The 1.52-inch TFT high-definition screen presents clear images with vivid and realistic colors, making it easy to handle both viewing information in strong light and operating in low-light environments. Built-in flashlight, worry-free camping and night road lighting, adding a reassuring guarantee to your life. 100+ exercise modes, professional fitness assistant. Supports over 100 exercise modes, including running, yoga, cycling, and more. Accurately record exercise duration, heart rate, steps, and calorie expenditure to help you plan your training scientifically. Paired with heart rate, blood oxygen, and sleep health monitoring, it safeguards your physical condition 24/7. IP68 waterproof, no fear harsh environments. With IP68 waterproof rating, there is no need to worry about washing hands, showering, or traveling on rainy days. At the same time, it is dust-proof, heat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant, making it easy to cope with extreme conditions. Whether it is outdoor exploration or daily use, it can be stable and reliable. 500 mAh battery, fast charging. This smartwatch is equipped with a military-grade 500 mAh battery and a built-in flashlight. It only takes 2 to 3 hours to charge and can be used for 9 to 14 days, with a standby time of up to 30 days. It also has a built-in flashlight, making it an essential tool for camping, hiking, and nighttime activities. Whether you are in an emergency or walking at night, this smartwatch ensures that you are always prepared. Multifunctional device, good helper for life. All-in-one, including voice assistant, weather forecast, remote camera control, music control, customizable UI dial, alarm clock, stopwatch, calculator, sedentary reminder, and water alarm. Whether it's leisure and entertainment or work and life, it can meet your diverse needs and bring you a convenient and comfortable intelligent experience. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.